Hello friends, hope you are doing great. In this video, I am going to discuss one of my case study related to the water filtration plants, and this business is in Canada, and we are selling the different products related to the water filtration like P1 plants and S1 plants in Canada. So in this month of the November 2025, you can see, so we have generated 21 sales from this campaign, 3 sales, 2 sales, 2 sales. So almost like 32 sales during this time period and 34 conversations as well. These were for basically water reports that we were asking the people if they want to test their water, and we will provide the water quality reports as well. So these are those conversations, and these are the sales that we have generated so far. So in some of the campaigns like this one, so we are selling 1499 product, and this one is almost $350 product.